fat in the abdominal region is one of the hardest problems to overcome. It can also harm your health over time, in addition to being visually disturbing. When we discuss visceral fat, we are referring to the fat that collects around the organs. The majority of people who attempt diets or fasting regimens are unsuccessful. Few people are aware of the fact that drinking a particular beverage in the morning, even just one glass, can stimulate the metabolism of fat and especially increase the amount of fat that is burned. The most exciting aspect is all of the components are natural, uncomplicated, and can be discovered conveniently within your own kitchen. 1. Why is the morning crucial? Morning is the time of day when the body is in a condition of fasting. It hasn't eaten since last night, so it's ready to draw energy from its reserves. Right now is the ideal time to specifically stimulate the metabolism that you have been waiting for. It is possible for a specialized beverage to have an unexpected effect, as it can naturally balance blood sugar levels, stimulate digestion, and increase fat burning. Using the correct proportions of enzymes, acid, and spice is crucial for effectiveness. 2. The ingredients with fat-burning potential. Cayenne pepper, fresh lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and lukewarm water are the only ingredients required for this fat-burning beverage that you may make in the morning. Lemons are a beneficial source of vitamin C and help the liver participate in the detoxification process, which is an essential step in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Acetic acid, which is found in apple cider vinegar, has been shown to suppress hunger, modulate insulin levels, and prevent the accumulation of fat in the body. On the other hand, cayenne pepper is a source of capsaicin, which is a chemical that induces thermogenesis, also known as the generation of heat within the body. Even when the body is at rest, this indicates that it burns more calories. 3. How to prepare the drink correctly. The juice of half a lemon should be squeezed into a glass that contains approximately 250 milliliters of water that is at room temperature. To the mixture, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, preferably cloudy and with the mother. At long last, incorporate a dash of cayenne pepper into the mixture. In addition, you have the option of including a few slices of fresh ginger in the glass if you so like. A delightful sharpness is imparted to the beverage as a result of this development, which further enhances the circulation-boosting impact. To prevent the loss of vital enzymes, it is essential that the water not be boiling hot. 4. The effect on the body. What happens next? Only a few minutes after consuming, the body would start to respond to the substance. The formation of stomach acid is boosted, which in turn kickstarts the digestive process. While this procedure is happening, the temperature of the body and the amount of calories consumed both increase somewhat, which provide a natural boost even before breakfast. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can help avoid cravings in the middle of the morning, while lemon can alleviate strain on the liver and boost the metabolism of fat from the body. Because of the combination, the body is able to draw more heavily on its current fat reserves, particularly those that are located in the stomach. 5. Who this method is particularly suitable for. This beverage is perfect for someone who has a tendency to be sluggish in the morning. In the morning, I struggle to feel hungry at all. Deals with cravings throughout the day with difficulty. They are making a conscious effort to avoid sweets and are working to maintain stable insulin levels. However, it is important to remember that the effect is best when taken regularly and on an empty stomach. Even though it is a simple practice, it is really beneficial in reducing abdominal fat.